We're at our Stafford campus, our workforce center in particular. We house our manufacturing and construction and pipe fitting welding here, but we also do Class B truck driving. But today we're here because PepsiCo Foundation has provided us with a Class A semi-truck to deliver training in Class A CDL licenses. So we're pretty excited about it. In Fort Bend County alone, there's about 1,300 jobs right now that are available in truck driving. So students can get in here, take an 8-week program, instantly get certified, and then get into the job market. It's roughly $80,000 a year that they'll be making, so great opportunity for students. You know, we've been partners with PepsiCo for, almost 5 years now. And our foundation has been a big supporter and really a champion of that relationship. Started out for scholarships. It's morphed into something like today with the truck, so just a great opportunity for us to continue that partnership.